you say no.
Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So I just woke up guys and सुबह से ही मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा थका हुआ फील हो रहा है because I have sore throat. I have कल रात को मुझे फीवर था एंड अभी जस्ट फिजिकल वीकनेस है थोड़ी सी एंड मेरा गला बंद है जैसे कि आप सुन भी सकते हो मेरी आवाज़ में. सो आई ट्राई माई बेस्ट टू मेक दिस डे प्रोडक्टिव बिकॉज मैं 1 बजे उठी हूँ. सो आई डायरेक्टली हैव लंच अभी एंड इस टाइम जस्ट मैं और मेरा भाई है घर पे एंड विल जस्ट ऑर्डर समथिंग एंड सो आई एम थिंकिंग कि मैं आज यूवीआईटिस पढ़ूँ सबसे पहले. तो सबसे पहले आई वॉच वीडियो फ्रॉम प्रिप्लैडर एंड देन आई स्टडी द टॉपिक फ्रॉम बुक. अगर मुझे लगा कि समथिंग इज़ नीडेड देन ओनली एंड देन आई जस्ट सॉल्व सम MCQs and I'll try to cover some part of ENT as well today. I've decided to start pharynx today. So let's see if it goes that way.
So we can classify uveitis either. I'm writing here, but I won't expect you to write on a copy there. So this is you can classify it anatomically, or we can classify it etiologically.
So I sat down to study uveitis from Prepladder at around 2 and I started making notes along with watching the video. As you know, I do this because it just helps me to revise it later quickly and makes your understanding of the chapter way more better. And honestly, the lecture was so amazing, from classification to treatment and to systemic diseases involved with it. It was just amazing the way faculty teaches and makes the class informative as well as interesting at the same time. And the understanding of the chapter becomes much more easier with the help of this diagram assisted learning. Yes guys, so I just completed the lecture on uveitis and I'll just take a break now. I'm thinking of making myself some tea. So one thing that I've learned in my hostel is making very amazing tea in minimum available ingredients. So here are the notes which I made, and next I'll review the notes present on the app to check if I've missed anything or not, and if there is something which I've missed, I'll write it on my own notes to make them real perfect. You can also buy notes from the app if you're someone who doesn't like making their own notes. And only Elite Plan users can buy the notes. In Elite Plan, you get subscription to all the 19 subjects. So if you plan to buy Elite Plan or notes anytime, you can use the code JANB8XJA to avail extra discount. And now I'll be solving questions on the topic of uveitis. So these are all the subtopics from the chapters. Also, Prepladder provides explanation of every question. So if you get any question wrong, you can just read about it along with solving the questions, or you can also bookmark the question and read it later. After solving the module, you can review the whole module and see if you are doing the questions correct this time or you're still doing the questions wrong. So, I'm just gonna set a timer for 20 minutes and take a nap, and please ignore my dirty iPad. So hopefully after waking up I'll studying ANT. I'll just start pharynx today. I'll do the anatomy of pharynx today, and that will be all about the day. So for now I'm just gonna take a very good nap. 생각해봤는데 아무래도 벌써 빠져버렸나 봐. 꿈에서까지도 원하는 걸 보면 장난 같은 건 아닌가 봐.
Outside we have the clefts and on the inside we have the pouch. So clefts
한마디 한순간이 소중해서 아껴두고 싶어. Okay guys, so it's 12 and I'll sleep now because कल मेरी class तो वैसे 12:30 है, but I've decided to go at 10 or 11 in the morning, या फिर अगर ज़्यादा अच्छा हुआ तो 9 in the morning. That was all about my vlog and my day. Hope you all like it, and I'll see you in my next vlog. And till then, keep studying, do what you love, and bye bye.